bike.
You got the hang of that thing now.
Yeah, I was born that way. I mean, I spent so much time on two wheels before I quit, you know, on dirt bikes.
Yeah, I can tell. You're doing good though.
Yeah. But I lived on BMX bikes. I mean, I was never off of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool, man. That's a little different than the electric bike.
Oh yeah, it's. But I'll tell you what, the Zeros, they'll smoke anything. They'll smoke both of these.
What will?
The Zeros.
Oh yeah, those go back. Okay. I like those.
Yeah, I saw one where a guy just took the stock one and he beat a Mustang. I mean, because they run 10-second quarter miles. 10.
Yeah, they're awesome. I've checked them out.
And that's an electric, yeah.
And
that 0 to 60 is 3 seconds. So it's like, even though this they could do probably 12 or maybe 11 or 10, I'm not sure.
No, they do 1085.
Yeah.
1085, 0 to 60,
Yeah, it's fast.
Yeah.
But like not at first though, it's gonna go up in the middle and then, you know what I mean, right?
I don't know, this thing is a rocket ship.
Well, I guess you have it's a big piston core, so it'll go.
It's amazing how fast. You see it spinning the tire constantly. I got another new tire. I keep buying tires for the damn thing.
Looking good. I really like this little light here. You want to be on my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I'll be on your YouTube channel.
Same kind of sport touring.